Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and we're also going to take a look at Ethereum on a lower degree and also on a higher time frame, right? So if you're new to my content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to basically upgrade to my premium group on Discord, you can definitely click on the link in the description and send me a message to basically access all my setups, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Neo, and all of that good stuff, right? So before we get started, you guys know my personal view. Okay, I'm still bullish on the market. I think like BTC, it is still, it is still extremely bullish, and we could see potentially some higher prices over the next like a few weeks and so on. However, market, even though market it is extremely bullish, price action cannot be pumping to the upside every single day. Market has to go through a consolidation period, has to go through correction, has to go through profit taking and all of that good stuff. So what we're seeing right now, it is like another profit taking, right? And another consolidation range. As you can see, if you take a look at it previously right here, one of the reasons why I was so bullish right there, we basically creating the same setup right here. Okay, we could potentially see another move just like what we saw right here. Okay, it might not be the same exact setup. I'm not looking for the same exact setup, but I'm just looking for confluence, right? So talking about confluence, right? If we take a look at our 2-day time frame, which is our main indicator for a bullish reversal, for a bull market continuation, what we said was like right here we did say exactly we're going to be reversing. Okay, right here what we said was like we basically bought the dip at 43, 42 and basically took profit at 50k and can still pump back up to a 52k area for another profit taken, right? So let's just keep that in mind. Sometimes you want to be basically using too many indicators, or you want to be using too many strategies. But if one strategy is working, there is no need to change it. Okay, right here, market was looking for lower prices. We did not look for lower prices. We basically bought the dip and took it all the way up to 50k. Right now, market was looking for 32, blah blah blah. We bought the dip at 43, took it back up. So if you take a look at it in terms of percentage, right, 43 to 50k, that's 15% move. So while BTC is moving sideways and you're getting like 15% breakout, that's a lot. Okay, so take a look at it, guys. 15% breakout, it is a lot. Okay, so for BTC, not an alt. So you take a look at it right here, nearly we got like a 20% breakout. So you're basically getting same type of a breakout on an, like the same type of breakout you would be getting like on an uptrend. While BTC is moving sideways, you're getting the same type of a breakout. So that's extremely juicy. Okay, so now what I'm looking for right now on the lower degree, on the 6-hour time frame, is like I want to see like a strong support from the 6-hour 100 EMA right there. Okay, a very strong support, a good volume. We're not getting a big volume so far in terms of like a lower degree, even though we got this wedge pattern, right? People are going to be like, oh, we got a wedge pattern, we're going to be breaking out and all of that good stuff. But we talk about it before even we got the we were anticipating it before even we get the wedge pattern, right? So wedge pattern breakout, most people are going to be very confident price action going to be moving sideways, but just be cautious. Once again, I said it, it is still moving it is still basically correcting. We can still get another correction right here before even making a decision whether we're going to be pumping to the upside or whether we're going to be retesting the low right here. So price action, it is still consolidating, right? Would be very cautious in this range. The main thing is like to buy the dip, was like to buy the dip at 43. Right now it is not a good level to be messing with, right? Just about like, let's say 48 to 52k area could be very tricky. Okay, you can still push to the upside, retest 57 or retest the 42 to 42 to 43k area before going to the upside. So once again, I'm just going to repeat it, guys. The range right here, okay, what I'm looking for, right, it is still, I'm still looking for 52 right there. However, once we retest 52, price action can still retest again 46 to a 47k area, and basically we're going to be looking for a potential consolidation right here to make a decision, because both pattern, I mean not both pattern, but this pattern can give you two different setups. Okay, you can still from this point on afterward, okay, we can still pump to the upside and retest the 52, or we can basically retest the bottom right here and still create another big divergence right here. So as of now, we don't know which one is going to be playing out because we do not have enough data to basically anticipate such a big breakout. But we will see once we get retest like a 52, or retest 52, or even breakout from 52. It's not even sure like we're gonna retest this one, but we're just gonna be anticipating it. Make sure to take some profit if we retest 52 and let the market do the work and give us a new setup. Okay, the overall trend, if you take a look at it on the higher time frame, on the 7-day chart, it is still bullish. Okay, as you can see, the 7-day basis, we do have a big rejection right here, but rejection level, it is still at 52k area. Okay, based on a closing basis on the 7 days chart. Right now, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So Ethereum, it is still pretty strong on a daily basis. Right, doesn't look bad. We just need to break above the daily 21 EMA. BTC looks stronger. BTC above the daily 21. Ethereum is failing to break above the daily 21. But Ethereum, we are looking for 1300 to 1400 support. And if you take a look at it, right, we basically bought the dip right here, average just about 1350, and basically had a nice 20% move. Okay, 20% breakout from Ethereum. It is a good sign. Okay, it is a good sign of a potential reversal over the next like a few days and so on. Right, however, even though I'm still bullish on Ethereum, we just have to be cautious. Our recent low was like 1383, so we have to cover this entire range, okay, all the way down to the daily 100 EMA. So keep an eye on Ethereum. As long as we're moving below the daily 21, we might be consolidating. Okay, would be buying the dip, selling the rejection, buying the dip, selling the rejection, and basically anticipate over the next like a few days and so on, anticipate some sort of sideways correction right here before the next move to the upside. Okay, so Ethereum can still give us a wedge pattern. It might be a very ugly wedge pattern, but we could anticipate some sort of wedge pattern from Ethereum over the next like a few days and so on. I'm not saying it is going to play out just like that, but let's just anticipate, guys, more consolidation from Ethereum, even though I'm still bullish. I'm not excuse me, I'm not saying like a big buying pressure while volume is decreasing. Even though volume is decreasing and while price is decreasing, even though volume is decreasing, right, and price is decreasing, yes, it is consolidating, but I want to see like higher buying pressure while we dropping. Okay, so hopefully it makes sense. So Ethereum consolidation, it is consolidating. Consolidation range going to be just about 1383 all the way down to 1183. So that way we're going to cover this daily 21, daily 100 EMA at 1221. Okay, all right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover for today. I'm still bullish on the market. It is still consolidating. So as long as basically BTC is above the daily 21, 2-day 21 actually, right, we're still bullish. So if BTC breaks below breaks the 2-day 21 EMA right there, we basically gonna have to take a look at it again, see if market can bounce back up above the 2-day 21 and basically try to break 59, 61 and 75k over the next like a few weeks and so on. Right, all right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.